In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel order on Oanda. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a pending order on the Oanda web platform, on mobile, and in MT4 or MT5, quickly and confidently. Remember, canceling an order refers to removing a pending order before it executes. This is different from closing an active trade, which applies once an order has already been filled. Let's start on the Oanda web platform, often called the hub. First, log into your account. On the main interface, look for the Orders tab. This is where all your pending orders live. Find the specific pending order you want to cancel and look for the small X icon next to it. Click that X. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you intend to cancel. Confirm the cancellation, and the order will be removed immediately from your list. If you don't see the X, double-check the order status. If it has already executed, it won't be cancelable. You would need to close the position instead. On the Oanda mobile app, the flow mirrors the web experience. Open the app, navigate to the Orders section, select the pending order you no longer want, tap the X or Cancel option, and confirm. As long as it's still pending, it will disappear right away. If you place orders through MT4, open your terminal and go to the Trade tab. Find the pending order, right-click it, and choose Modify or Delete Order. Then click Delete to confirm. The platform will remove the pending order instantly. In MT5, open the toolbox, go to the Trade tab, locate the pending order, and click the X icon next to it. That's all you need. Once you click, the pending order is canceled immediately. A quick but important reminder: only pending orders can be canceled. These include limit orders, stop orders, and other entry orders. If the order has already been filled and converted into an open position, you can no longer cancel it. You must close the trade instead. If you're unsure, look at the order's status and the presence of the X icon. No X usually means it's not pending. Before confirming any cancellation, take a moment to verify the instrument, size, and direction so you don't remove the wrong order. If you experience any delay, refresh your platform or app to see the updated status. That's it. Simple, fast, and consistent across web, mobile, MT4, and MT5.